is about vectors. In diagram 7, ABCD is a kite. The position of vector ABCD relative to origin O is -1 plus -I plus 3j, -j, 11i minus 5j, and 3i plus 2j respectively. Alright, from the point given, we can actually write what is given here. Now let's write in point form. For A is -1 and 3, right? We can write -1 and 3. For B is just -1, so it's 0, -1 is on the y-axis, x is 0. For C is 11 and -5. From the I and J, you can convert to the point in the Cartesian plane. This is a vector in the Cartesian plane. So let's see. Alright, the diagonal AC and BD intersect at point P, where P divides AC and BD into the ratio 1 to lambda and 1 to mu respectively. Okay, where's the P? P divides the AC, we focus to AC, into 1 to lambda. AC 1 to lambda, right? Into 1 to lambda, and then divide the line AC and BD into 1 to lambda and 1 to mu. That means here is 1, here is mu. Alright, according to the question, BD is 1 to mu. If you read the question, divide the BD into 1 to mu. The mu is a ratio, not given. Okay, so let's see what the question wants. Express AC and BD. Express the vector AC and BD in terms of I and J. Now let's see I and J for vector AC and BD. So for vector AC is equal to AO plus OC, right? Now AC is AO plus OC. So AO, this is OA, so it's 1, -3, right? And then OC, we can just use a point. OC is 11 and -5. So we have the answer, which is 12 and -8 for AC. Right, so we are asking to write AP, express AC and BD in terms of I and J. So we have the AC here, but we are asking to write in terms of I and J. So let's write in terms of I and J. You can always use a vector column to do. So it's 12i minus 8j. And then the BD, let's see the BD in terms of I and J. So BD, I'm going to do here. BD is equal to BO plus OD. What is BO? OB given, OB is a point 0, -1. So if BO, it will be 0, 1, right? Is a negative OB. BO is negative OB. OB is 0, -1. So negative OB would be positive 1 for the y coordinate, right? Plus the OD. OD, we can use a point because it starts from OD, so that is a point in the Cartesian. 3, 2. So we have 3, 3, right? 3, 3. So it's better to use this way to do than you use I and J. If you use I and J, it's a bit confused. But finally, you don't forget, you have to write your answer in terms of I and J. This is so-called unit vector according to the question, right? write in terms of I and j. So that means you cannot leave your answer in vector column. So the AC is 12i minus 8j, and the BD is, make sure you write the arrow and the movement, the wave here, 3i plus 3j. That's all my sharing about the vector AC and BD. For the next video, I will share with you how to do the for the vectors. If you write this vector and this vector and you are using triangle law, or maybe you use vector column, or the method accepted, and answer must be in terms of the I and j with the arrow for the vector.